Okay, we finished. I think we're 100% finished now. Alright, this is the unit on the second floor. I'm missing. This is the Silver Spring. We gotta insulate this right here. Can't really see it because it's dark in there. I think we can show you this on fire. Alright. That's the unit upstairs. That's the copper line. Alright. Let's get a tool. Thermostat on. Here. Okay. Oh, there's a light right there. And so this was the access for this to me. This side work. This side ain't working. Okay. Let me turn. This other turn from right here. It's going to be another return. This is a unit in the basement. Anything now left for the copper to get sorted. Turn there. Picture of this. This is the bathroom. I like how they built this bathroom. Go in there and fix a plumbing issue there. This is another house for sale. I think they was asked for. I think they started out like 500,000. I think they went to like, I think 460. This is the house we're working on. It's a crazy big backyard. They drink crazy nice. It's the location in this house. Alright. Outside unit. Just waiting for the copper to get sorted to it. Anything else for me? That's waiting. Alright, peeps. Let me get back to work. I'll see you guys in a minute. Matter of fact, I'm going to try to give you a nice look at this joint. Steve Hill, boy. the house right there. Look at the other one. Nice neighborhood. Alright, I'll get back with y'all in a minute.